Hello everyone, it's Samrat Naskar from EIILM-Kolkata. I am currently pursuing BSc Hotel and Hospitality Administration, and today I am going to make chicken Chettinad, a very famous South Indian dish.
So we'll start by making this chicken Chettinad. This is the chicken, the marinated chicken, and this is the Chettinad masala. These ingredients are used to make this Chettinad masala. We have chopped onion, chopped tomato, and garlic, chopped ginger garlic paste, chopped chili, and spices, the turmeric powder and the red chili powder, and little bit of tomato. So we'll start. We'll put the oil. We'll let the oil heat for some time. Some fried chili just for flavoring. Put some garlic chops. Put some ginger chops. We'll put some ginger garlic paste. Now we'll pour the tomato puree. Now we'll put the marinated chicken. Now we'll put the Chettinad masala. After this chicken cooks a little bit, after this chicken cooks a little bit, we'll put the Chettinad masala. We'll put some poppy seed paste for thickness. Put some water. more of Chettinad masala. And now we will let it cook for some time. We will put little water and let it cook for some time. Open the lid. The chicken is almost done. A wonderful deep golden color has come. We will put little more of coconut. Then we'll put a little bit of Chettinad masala. For the prominent flavor.
Chicken Chettinad is ready. Do try it at home and let us know in the comment box. Thank you.